Come on, let's go. Ah! Go see Vinny. I'll meet you here.
Heard you in the market for something that goes boom. Give those girls a squeeze from Uncle Vin, huh?
Not today, Vinny.
We have to talk. Get in. Don't go anyplace yet. Gotta hear me out on this. It's about the girl.
Michelle?
Right. You don't have to rub her out. Just make her disappear.
You know her?
Yeah. I've been with her a few times. She's a good egg, Tom. Just maybe not so bright. She doesn't deserve to get plugged just 'cause she likes listening to me talk.
You think she'll leave town?
When she understands what'll happen otherwise, yeah, she'll leave. Here's 100. Give it to her. And make sure she gets far away.
Okay, Sam. I'll see what I can do.
That's all I'm asking. Let's go.
Michelle. She's the one from the racetrack, right?
Tom, that was the last time we were ever gonna talk about her. Ever. I told you what I had to ask, and you listened. Gotta leave it there.
Okay.
Keep your head when you get into the hotel. Find your mark and don't act suspicious. The manager thinks he's untouchable. You'll probably walk right up to him.
Anything else I should know?
Nah, just don't take all day. Lottie died young, so there can't be much to say about him. When the bomb goes off, I'll do my thing.
Got it.
What kind of world is it that when you screw up, you get sent to a cat house? Well, I have to clean up your mess at a funeral. You see the justice in that?
I see a job I gotta do.
Such a professional. Just try to finish the job this time, huh? First time I've been to a church. What's with you today, Tom? Anyway, first time I've been to a church in a while.
I'm gonna guess they're still singing the same songs.
Last time I went it was. Same songs I always heard as a kid.
Yeah, you're not the religious type.
It's the funerals, Tom. That's all it ever is. All that anyone ever wants to do is point guns at the family and shoot. Game point, there were so many funerals, I just stopped going to most of them. They're all boring as hell.
Well, that's a shame, seeing as you're always dressed for the occasion.
Great gag, Tom. Write that one down.
Thanks. I'll do that.
Now, weddings. Weddings are less boring. I'd go to one of them. You working on that?
Guess so.
Good. Because I've given up waiting on Polly. Guy couldn't get a broad to stick to him if they went swimming through glue.
He'll find someone.
Tom, if his own mother has given up hope, then you can give up hope too.
Here's your stuff.
I'll give the family your condolences.
Good luck.
You too.
Hey, you behave yourself in here, okay?
Know where I can find the manager?
I just watched the door, pal.
Hey, handsome. You here for a girl, drinks, or a mix of the two?
A girl. And I got some business with your manager, too.
A girl I can help you with. Come through. Find a girl you like, and you can both get better acquainted upstairs. There's no rush, so get a drink, relax, and enjoy yourself.
Hey, good afternoon.
Just how I like 'em. Why don't you buy me a drink?
Because you're not the dame I'm after. You know Michelle?
I'm new here, baby. I don't know a thing.
We can just stop. What's a handsome man like you doing in a place like this?
Looking for a girl named Michelle.
She's busy upstairs, but I'm free.
Come on, honey. Without I can tell you're nervous. But I can step you through what we gotta do.
Hey, I'm looking for Michelle. Know her?
Yeah, she's the popular one. Book yourself in with the guy at reception. You gotta get in line for Michelle.
The friendship between the Corleone Hotel and the Morello.
You looking for a good time? Come this way.
Nah, I'm looking for a friend. Michelle.
Sure you are. Come to my room and tell me all about her.
I just want to talk.
You know, I get to hear that a lot. I bet you're not like all the other guys either, are you?
Nah, not really.
What the hell?
You know Michelle?
She's in 208. Get out!
Sorry for the intrusion. You Michelle?
What's it to you?
Fella named Sam is one of your regulars.
Maybe there's a lot of guys named Sam.
You know him. Works for Don Celieri. Maybe you got him talking about our business from time to time, and maybe Don Morello offered you some money to spill what you heard.
No, Sam, trust me. I don't say nothing. He knows that.
Well, the Don's losing a lot of money because someone can't keep their mouth shut.
I was just bumping guns with some of Morello's girls. I didn't mean nothing by it. Tell him I'm sorry. Tell him I won't never open my mouth again.
I know.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You scared then? Good. Don't you ever forget how it feels to be this scared. To know you're just one twitch away from a hole in the ground. Because if you ever show your face in this town again, they're gonna find you with two in the head. Do you understand? Lucky for you, Sam's got a big heart. Get dressed and make tracks. This place is gonna blow soon.
Thank you.
Just don't come back and we're square.
Gonna rip. Someone call the cops.
See him? You see where he went? Check it over there.
Get some cover. Hit him.
Moving up the side.
On him. No. Shit. Get cover.
Get him in a shot.
You're in my sights.
Get him in a shot. Go.
Lick the steel. Gotta reload. There.
Know how to use that thing?
Gotta reload.
Now!
Taking cover.
Moving to cover!
Cover.
Over here!
He's right.
Ooh!
Bleeding. It's not what it looks like.
Ah, sorry.
Suspect is escaping over the rooftops. Before he's back on street level. He just shot the Corleone to pieces. I want everyone we've got on this guy. Get up there and bring him down. He's up here with us. Get in cover! Thought you'd get by, didn't you? Didn't think we'd be here to meet you, huh? I see you! Take them out! There! Can't get far! Killed him! Get an angle on him! No contact with the fellas on the roof. Feels like we lost him.
No matter how far we've fallen, we can find redemption in death. Now, William, he was a sinner, yes, but he was also a loving son, a protective brother, and a loyal friend. And for those virtues, we pray that his soul will find salvation. And now I believe one of Billy's closest and dearest friends would like to say a few words.
Thank you, Father. I just wanted to pay my respects. Billy, I never said this, but I consider you my brother. I can't even count all the times you saved my ass from a beating. So I don't know how I'm good. What are you doing? Wait, that's the guy. That's the guy who killed Billy! Get down!
Please, end this! Leave us alone!
Over here! Coming down!
Down there! Shoot him before he comes up the stairs!
I'm running for cover!
I see him!
You could have stopped all this days ago!
His father was here!
There! Up on the balcony! This is the way this city works!
Billy was sad, I get that, but this...
You think I'm enjoying this?
Please, this solves nothing!
What have you done? Murder in the house of God!
These men were criminals, Father. Thieves. Rapists. Killers.
And God would have embraced them if they'd asked for forgiveness. Now, which one of these men might have sought redemption by working with the poor? Which one might have saved just one life?
None of us, Father. You bastard. If you have any confessions to make, you better do it quick.
No more bloodshed, please!
I'm sorry, Father. Consider this an act of divine retribution.
That make us even?
Sure. For now. For your trouble, Father.
I don't want your blood money.
You took theirs. Not a lot of difference from where I'm standing. That should be enough dough to patch up the bullet holes. And keep you quiet.
When the cops come, you tell them the gunman who did this had East Coast accents. Must have been from out of town, right?
I won't lie. But I won't say anything at all.
Good. Be a shame if we had to come back here.
Where the hell were you?
As soon as I walked in the church, the crew recognized me. Followed me straight back out.
Where are they now?
New
The
deal
same
comes
place.
to Lost Heaven. Find out all about it. Here!
Form a perimeter around the church, boys. Don't let him out.
In the hearse, let's go! Are you kidding?
Don't you weigh that down in
Got him! He ain't getting back up. Guy hit the floor.
They got another friend, Tom. There's no end to these guys.
They keep coming!
Don't point that thing at me.
They keep coming!
Going on.
Reloading. Get inside.
Gotcha!
Don't you push that thing at me.
All cars, all officers, please converge. Group needed.
Guy hit the floor.
There's no way. Eat somehow. Move up. Get to the side.
They keep coming!
He's gunning for me. With me. Move up. Get to the side. Reloading. Take him out. Move on. That crew's coming in. Kill them. Taking you down.
He took a hit!
There's no end to these guys. Get up. Move up around him.
Keep coming!
Don't pull that trigger.
Reloading. Don't you point that thing at me. Getting cover!
Hey!
Move up! Get to here! There's no way to pull that trigger! Move up on him! There's no end to these guys! Don't point that thing at me! The rest of that crew's coming in! He's down!
They keep coming!
He's in a car.
They-
Catch him before this goes any further.
Well, today didn't turn out like I expected.
What?
Whatever you did at the cat house got the cops plenty pissed.
Yeah, it was messy, but I got everything done.
Everything?
Yeah. Everything.
They giving up yet?
Don't think so.
They must have called out every cop in the city.
Come on, Tommy, lose him.
I'm trying.
The guy's gotten away in North Park someplace. Keep looking. He'll turn up. Yeah, he's been seen. Go get him, boys. The guy's gotten away in North Park someplace. Keep looking. He'll turn up. All cars, pursuit is called off. Abandoned search and return.
Okay, we lost him.
Thank Christ.
Gonna be trying to forget today for a long time.
You're telling me.
Let's get back to the bar. We gotta lie low.
The way this all went down, we gotta lie low for weeks.
The priest will keep his trap shut, don't worry. Morello got a bloody nose, and you and Polly are in the clear for whacking Galati's son. Boss will be pleased.
Thanks again, Sam, for helping me out back there. I thought my time was up.
It's not anything you wouldn't do for me.
I know, but when you come that close to biting it, Christ, it's something.
Don't need to tell me about that. Just don't think about it. Best lesson I could ever teach you. Don't think about anything.